Hello everyone, today we are going to make a flower style bracelet. So for that we will need a green color thread, a pink color thread and a yellow color thread. So first I will take the green color one. Now I will take both the corners and I will take the other side of it. Now I will cross one line over the other so that I get a circle over here. Now what will I do is I will take the pink thread. Now again I will take it till the half, and now I will insert this inside that and then this inside this. If you didn't get what I did, you can pause and replay the video. So now here I have made one loop. Now I will take one pink cord and take it over the green one, and then from here I will take it inside and pull it. Now I will take the green one above the pink one and the pink one through this hole. If you didn't understand, you can again watch the video. So whatever we have done now on the left side, we have to do it on the right side. So first the pink one above the green one and through this hole, then the green one above the pink one and again through this hole. So now I have created 3 such petals of the flower. Now I need to make the 4th one. So to make the 4th one, I will cross this, I mean the right one, over both the pink one and then over this. So form a circle over here. Now I will take the pink cord and then insert it through this hole. Note that the pink cord is of this side, which means that the right one goes into the right hole and the left one goes into the left hole. So as I take them, I will just tighten it and it goes down. Now to make it a perfect one, first I will add the yellow thread now. So what I am going to do is I will insert the yellow thread from gap, and then I will insert it to this gap. Now I will take the green cord. First take a long distance towards this side, which means to the right side. Now I will tie it over here so it doesn't go inside it. And now I will take both the green cords and just pull them tightly. And then see, shape of the flower has started to come. So now the more we tight we pull, the more efficient the shape is. And now we have to keep space over here so that we can make a bracelet. Now I will show you how to do the next one. So this is ready for us. Now again the same step, that is the pink one over the green one, then through that hole, now green one over the pink one, and again through that hole, this way we have to create the left one, right one too. So first the pink one above the green, through the hole, then the green one above the pink one, and again through that hole, so now the second loop is also done. So now the important thing over here is, now I will not make the fourth one. I will first take it through this hole, and then so now I have created both the petals and taken it from the left one. So I will insert the yellow cord into the right one also. Now I will take the green one, both the green cords, and cross them over each other, and the pink one into one loop, and the other one into the other one. So I will tighten it too. You need to pull the pink one also, so it gets tight. So here, you can see both the petals, both the flowers. So this way you have to take it till the pink one ends. So now I have completed it till here. So I have finished with the pink one, so I have tied and cut it off. Now I will take the green one and then insert it from the back side into it. Then the second one, and again through this hole which we left initially. Now I will tie it. Then I will cut it off, and here your bracelet is ready. So you can adjust it according to your hand.